Hey, what's up, guys? So basically, the reason for the video tonight, and it's been a while. It's always been a while, guys. It's always gonna be a while. But the reason for the video tonight is I've been doing a lot of research. You know, I'm kind of at a bottleneck in this build, and I really want to go ahead and just get rid of the AC and the heat and all that in this vehicle. I think it's gonna be easier for me. And the direction I wanna go with this vehicle is go ahead and close the door for me, please. You go ahead and close it, come on, just close the door. Come in, you can come out here. Come out here. The reason I wanna get rid of this stuff is because the direction I wanna go with this vehicle, I'm probably not gonna have any use for this stuff here. And it's just taking up space. And as you guys can see, it's a pretty tight fit. So, I mean, I can work with that, but I don't think it's really necessary. You know what I mean? Obviously the build is coming along. It's looking pretty good. You know, I just kind of got stuff laid up here right now, kind of mocked up, but, I want you guys to let me know what you think. You know, should I go ahead and get rid of the heat and AC box right there? You know, it's got the blower motor in it. It's got your, not your condenser, but your evaporator and all that stuff is in there. Your heater cores in that mix somewhere. I personally think I'm not gonna end up using that stuff, and it's just in the way. I wanna make kind of a race car with this car and, you know, show car. I don't think I really want all that stuff in the engine bay. You guys let me know what you think. And then just leave it in the comment section, you know. Put your interest, what you think in the comment section. If you guys have any questions about this build, put it in the comment section. And then, you know, if you guys want to keep watching the videos, go ahead and subscribe, of course, share. And then just like it or dislike it if that's what you want to do. You want to like it, go ahead and like it. And then real quick, for those who may be new to the channel, this is an 87 Buick Regal. Basically, I bought this car, it had a 307 in it. I took that out, decided early that I wanted to do an LS swap. And the first engine, we basically ruined it. It's not ruined, but I'm not gonna use it. And then I ended up buying this one. I finally got it in. It's close to being finished. I gotta wire it up, put fuel to it, and get it on the road. As you can see, I got the harness there. But anyways, that's kind of the short story. 480 transmission. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think I should do about this thing right here. I wanna go ahead and start testing, you know, turbo manifolds and exhaust manifolds. And it's gonna be part of that testing process. So put the comments in the comment section, send it to me, let me know. Thanks, peace. Tell them to like it.
Like it and put the thumbs up.
What?
Put the thumbs, subscribe to the video, put the thumbs up.